Hi, this is Susan, and I'm going to say something that you may never hear from me again. Add color, lots of color on the outside of your house, not the inside. So everybody who's thinking about those neutral decor tips that we talk about all the time, toss that away. Let's talk about summer selling season. And also, if you're not thinking about selling, but you want to entertain, let me give you some tips. First of all, first thing you need to do is really understand that your lawn is the big portion of what people see when they're looking at your home or they're coming to visit. Good mowing, making sure you're watering on a regular basis. Remember, we're getting into that hot time of the year, so you may have to adjust your sprinkler system, or you may have to get out there and water a lot of extra just to keep your grass looking good. Trim your bushes, your shrubs. Make sure when you are planting plants, new plants especially, that you're watering those daily. Your pots of beautiful flowers, add all those vivid, bright colors, but also make sure you're watering those and feeding those with the extra nutrients. Touch up your exterior paint. Even though we're getting hot this time of year, this is a great time to do all of your exterior paint, trim, and touch-ups. Add that summer flair with a great rug out front. And now the thing that we all hate to do, we need to think about sealing our driveways. When we're highlighting summer home sales or entertaining, we also want to think about highlighting the great portion of our yard that we love. Maybe it's an outdoor kitchen, maybe it's a fireplace, maybe it's a fire pit, a pool. Those are things you really want to put some emphasis on. Remember also, when people are coming to visit or you're thinking about selling, the roof is a major part of what people see when they drive up to your home. Make sure it's clean, make sure the gutters are clean. Are you on the verge of needing a new roof? This might be the time to start interviewing roofers to get that put on in the summer or early fall. When you're talking about showing your home, entertaining in your house, it means you need to kick down that air conditioner a couple of notches. You might be comfortable in your house, but when you're starting to add people traveling into your home, we want to keep it cool and crisp. It also makes a great impression when people walk in from that hot summer day. Last thing we want to talk about is the staging of your house, which also means decluttering some. Make sure you're getting rid of some of those kind of the cool tones of winter, the winter heavy blankets or rugs. Brighten up those a little bit with some more summer decor. A fun thing to do is add a pitcher of lemonade out on your patio table, or if you're bringing people through the home to take a look, make sure you add the bucket of cold ice water, some kind of fresh tips to make sure people feel cool, crisp, and attentive to your home. When we're looking at summer, remember, this is the time of year where we can really highlight those pretty summer blues and the bright yellows that we enjoy looking at. Add summer music to your house, maybe a summer fragrant candle. Lots of different tones and fragrances of candles can help you remember some of the fun summer events. If you have any question about staging, whether it be for entertaining or your home sale, remember, summer is the time that you can add those colors that make you feel happy.